Hello everyone. Welcome to mywordbook.com. In today's video, I have a new word for you. Let's find out what it means and how you can use it on daily conversation. Eager. It is an adjective. Basically, eager means marked by strong interest or impatient desire, full of enthusiasm. Let's take few examples of eager.
Example 1.
The FBI was eager to prosecute the mobster for extortion and money laundering.
Example 2.
She waited in eager anticipation for Robert to arrive.
Example 3.
We look forward to your lecture with eager anticipation.
Example 4.
Haig was desperately eager for an affirmative answer.
Example 5.
The boy was eager for success. That is the end of today's video. Kindly share your suggestions on comment box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.